Have you ever wondered what holds a handmade book together? Sure, there's glue, there's paper, and maybe even a fancy cover, but there's one unsung hero in the bookbinding world that doesn't get enough credit: Tarlatan. Today, I'm diving into what Tarlatan is, why it's so crucial for bookbinders, and even a little bit about its history and the types you'll find. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Cartonius.com, your go-to for bookbinding supplies and materials. So, what exactly is tarlatan? Think of it as a loosely woven cotton fabric, kind of like gauze, but a bit sturdier. It's not something you'd wear, but in bookbinding it's basically a secret weapon. Tarlatan is used to reinforce the spines of books. When you glue it to the spine after sewing the signatures together, it adds a huge amount of strength and flexibility. That means your book can open and close hundreds of times without falling apart at the seams, literally. But why is it so essential? Well, without tarlatan, the adhesive alone might not hold up over time. The fabric bridges the gap between the paper and the cover, absorbing stress and distributing it evenly. It keeps everything nice and sturdy so your beautiful book doesn't end up with a cracked spine or loose pages. In other words, if you want your book to last, tarlatan is non-negotiable. Now let's hop into a quick history lesson. Tarlatan dates back to the 18th and 19th centuries, where it was first used for things like dress linings and stage costumes. But bookbinders quickly realized how useful it was for reinforcing books. It was cheap, strong, and easy to use. Over time, it became a staple in the industry. Even as new synthetic materials have popped up, tarlatan remains a favorite thanks to its unique texture and reliability. What about types of tarlatan? You'll usually find it in various grades ranging from super open weave, almost like a net, to tighter weaves that look more like cheesecloth. The open weave kind is great for heavy-duty bookbinding, while the finer stuff is perfect for delicate repairs. And yes, it sometimes comes pre-sized, which means it's been stiffened with starch to make it easier to handle. So, whether you're binding a family heirloom or crafting your first handmade journal, tarlatan is that behind-the-scenes material making sure your book stands the test of time. If you're looking to pick some up or need any other bookbinding materials, head over to Cartonius.com. They've got a huge selection and everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into book arts and materials. Catch you in the next one.